Grab AI Shorts Pal and save $80 each month. See what makes AI Shorts Pal miles ahead of the competition. Forget spending big dollars on expensive and outdated artificial intelligence platforms. No monthly or yearly fee. No hidden costs. No manual work. No profit sharing. No learning curve. No tech or marketing skills. So, which side are you on today? Hate AI Shorts Pal. Pay huge monthly to create engaging shorts, reels and stories videos. Impossible to generate profitable short videos in 3 clicks. Impossible to create shorts, reels and stories videos scripts in 1 click. Adding animations not possible, so get low attention. Spend lots for getting a single fresh font for stories. Waste tons of hours by editing shorts, reels and stories manually. Impossible to add personalized touch in reels and stories. Saving reels and stories not possible. Need constant logging into multiple platforms. Need to create voice-over and script yourself. Huge investment needed. Learn complex video creation skills to get started. Love AI Shorts Pal. Pay one time to create engaging shorts, reels and stories videos. Automatically generate profitable shorts videos in 3 clicks. Create 100% fresh, shorts, reels and stories videos scripts in 1 click. Get 100x attention using powerful animations in stories. Get 50+ beautiful looking fonts to choose for your stories. Edit instantly using drag and drop shorts, reels and stories videos editor. Add personalized touch by unlocking 100+ human-like voiceover in reels and stories. Save shorts, reels and stories into draft for later use in no time. Don't need constant logging into multiple platforms. No voiceover or script writing needed. No huge investment, it's pocket-friendly. No need to learn complex video creation skills. And here's the icing on the cake: AI Shorts Pal comes loaded with exclusive launch-only bonuses worth $15,658. Free bonus number 1. YouTube Ad Secrets. YouTube is one of the most underutilized platforms by many digital marketers. Despite many statistics clearly showing the profitability of video marketing, even many of the web's preeminent digital marketers are shy to get involved. Why is this? Simple: many marketers who are working from home lack the resources, the know-how, or the confidence to get involved with video marketing. But you know what? That's exactly why you need to get involved and why you need to learn to use this critical tool. Leaving the statistics to one side for a moment, video marketing is incredibly valuable simply because it allows you to change the way that others perceive your business. When you create a great video with high production values, you make your organization appear far more professional, stable, and resourceful. Instead of looking like you're some guy writing articles from his mom's basement, you'll now look like a real business complete with high production values and a professional sheen that inspires trust and confidence in your brand. At the same time, video marketing also has some other advantages. For example, it's highly engaging beyond what you can achieve with a written advert or even a blog post. Think about how often you have sat up all night watching TV programs that you weren't really interested in simply because it was too difficult to turn off and turn your attention away from them. Bonus number 2. List Building Kickstart. Watch these videos and learn how building an email list properly can net you easy triple-digit paydays. If you want to make so much money online, building an email list of subscribers is necessary. You see, you may already have heard these words before: the money is in the list. Well, email marketing is one of the best way to connect, engage, and build your authority as an expert online, and if you've become an authority, chances are people in your list will most likely follow what you've inside. That's why if you share valuable information or recommend a new product that would be beneficial to them, the majority of people on your list will buy the product and of course make money out of it. Free bonus number 3. High-paying clients. High-paying clients are those who are willing to pay you double, triple, or even 50 times more than average customers. In this video course you will learn what it takes to close high-paying client. One of the most important thing to do is change your belief, and here you can find the way to do it. You will also learn about how to position yourself as an expert, how to identify and qualify clients, the sales process, Sales objection. How to price your product. How to deliver after payment is made. Free bonus number 4. 10 ways to create the perfect online video. Videos have become popular media for communicating with the masses. The present popularity of videos is due to the widespread use of camcorders and mobile phones, as well as the convenience of sharing videos on the internet. In the marketing world, videos have become essential marketing tools. Creating compelling videos is mandatory for any person who seeks to use this tool for the purposes of marketing, educating, and disseminating information, among others. You will learn the techniques that have been carefully researched and practiced to bring you the best and quickest methods of generating an income and improving online video. Free bonus number 5. 20 profitable online business ideas. Discover 20 online business ideas you can start today so you can have the freedom to work anywhere. Without an idea, there is no chance to start your own online business. With tons of entrepreneurs out there, this first step is one of the hardest challenges, where you might find yourself wandering around the web to get your creative juices flowing. Don't look any further, as we put together a list of 20 online business ideas, which you can start tomorrow. Obviously, there is a need for tremendous preparation and research, but hopefully, inside this list can get you started. Just a gentle reminder. Total value of these bonuses is $15,658. Mark my words, these bonuses have never been offered before and you won't find them ever at any cost. The choice is yours. Grab your copy now or let them pass away to come back never ever. Here's everything you get inside AI Shorts Pal today. First to universe technology to create attention-grabbing stories and drives hordes of hungry buyers, that's priceless. Create your own mind-blowing shorts, reels and stories videos in under 60 seconds, that's priceless. Automatically create Instagram Reels videos in 100+ different languages, valued at $597. Convert visitors into customers by adding powerful automated animation and stories, valued at $527. Use artificial intelligence to create unique shorts, reels and stories videos ideas in a flash, valued at $597. Smoothly edit any image using advanced editor like a pro, valued at $767. Get 50+ beautiful looking fonts to choose for your stories, valued at $487. Give personalized feel in every video using 100+ human-like voiceover, valued at $867. Add your own custom music to give an unforgettable experience, valued at $597. Download or share your shorts, reels and stories in one click, valued at $457. Save over $5,000 yearly and kick out dependency on third parties, completely valued at $597. Intuitive desktop application designed for new and experienced users alike, valued at $547. Easy-to-use editor to drag and drop shorts, reels and stories videos editor, valued at $197. Get started easily with no prior video creation skills, valued at $257. Newbie-friendly technology, valued at $257. Ultra-fast dedicated support, valued at $197. 30-day money-back guaranteed, that's priceless. Exclusive bonuses, that's priceless. Total value of everything you get today. $12,686. For limited time only, grab it today for $97 a month. Today, only one time $17. Still unsure if this technology will work for you or not? We're super confident that you'll be in love with the awesome powers you get with AI Shorts Pal today. That's why we're offering a no questions asked money back guarantee to all our valued customers. Just give it a try for next 30 days, and if you get the feeling that it isn't living up to your expectations, we'll refund your full money with 0 questions asked, period.